Not every sin looks like a sin. Sometimes it looks like just business. Just strategy. Everyone does it. Allah says in Quran,
وَيْلٌ لِّلْمُطَفِّفِينَ الَّذِينَ إِذَا اكْتَالُوا عَلَى النَّاسِ يَسْتَوْفُونَ وَإِذَا كَالُوهُمْ أَو وَّزَنُوهُمْ يُخْسِرُونَ.
Woe to those who give less, in measure and weight. Those who, when they take from people, take in full. But when they give to them, they give less. This surah wasn't revealed about criminals. It was revealed about normal people. People who cheated quietly. People who benefited silently. People who looked honest, but weren't fair. Allah didn't say, "This is wrong behavior." He said, "Woe to them." Because injustice done politely is still injustice. Islam isn't only about prayer mats. It's about transactions, honesty, fairness, and trust. A believer's success is not measured by profit, but by purity. If something benefits you by harming someone else, it is not risk. It is a test. Barakah only comes from clean hands and clean income. Comment, Ya Allah, make me honest in private and public. Save this for daily life decisions. Follow for Quranic guidance for real life.